Dynamic coupon campaigns can be an invaluable tool for Amazon sellers looking to increase sales and manage inventory more efficiently. But launching a successful campaign takes strategy and insight. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore how to leverage your customer data, align with market trends, experiment with different discount types and promotions, and ultimately drive more profitability. You'll learn insider tips like tailoring offers to repeat buyers versus new customers and capitalizing on inventory surpluses. With real-world examples and stats throughout, you'll discover how other savvy sellers utilize dynamic couponing to tap into new opportunities and optimize their Amazon business. Whether you're looking to move excess stock or boost brand loyalty, this guide will equip you to create targeted, high-converting promotions. Implement these proven coupon campaign strategies and you can master the art of selling more while spending less on discounts. So let's jump into it with me first telling you who I am in 45 seconds and how we can help you scale your Amazon business. Okay, so real quick, if you don't know me, my name is Ian Smith and I own an Amazon creative agency called Evolve Media Agency. At EMA, we completely revamp Amazon listings by doing top-tier product photo and video shoots that greatly increase PPC ad performance by simply boosting the product detail page's conversion rate. We write listing copy, create user-generated content, and create video ads for Amazon PPC and TikTok. We also build out brand story sections, Amazon storefronts, and create off-Amazon marketing funnels. If you want free access to our Amazon listing checklist, go to amzchecklist.com, and to view our pricing, portfolio, and get a free listing audit, then book a free consulting call by going to amzchecklist.com. So now let's carry on with the video. All right, first, harnessing the power of data is fundamental. The right analysis tools will enable you to delve into your customers' buying patterns. For instance, a FeedVisor survey revealed that a striking 66% of Amazon shoppers are repeat customers. As such, it's critical to identify which products resonate with your repeat buyers and which ones appeal to first-time buyers. By tailoring your coupon strategies to these patterns, you can significantly enhance their effectiveness. Special discounts for repeat customers can fortify brand loyalty, while attractive deals for first-time buyers can boost customer acquisition. A study done by a brand called Investpro, which I've never heard of, but I guess they do studies, shows that an impressive 39% of customers exceed their intended spending when redeeming coupons. When dealing with inventory management, dynamic coupon campaigns can be your saving grace. Have an overstock of a specific product? Implement a dynamic coupon campaign to spur sales and reduce your stock. Conversely, if a product is selling like hotcakes, consider moderating the discount to optimize your profits. The essence here is balance. As the brand Point List points out, the ideal inventory turnover for most businesses hovers between 3 and 4 times annually. As we delve into market trends, they can be an untapped wellspring of opportunities. Should you notice a product category trending, consider issuing a coupon for similar items in your inventory. This strategy not only capitalizes on the trend, but also attracts a broader customer base, like those first-time buyers. Google Trends data substantiates this, showing a 30% surge in coupon searches when a product or category is trending. Experimentation is key when it comes to dynamic coupon campaigns. These campaigns are flexible, allowing you to test various discount types, whether percentage-based or fixed dollar amount off. Me personally, I'm a bigger fan of the fixed dollar amount off. Experiment with different qualifying thresholds for the discount, such as a minimum purchase amount, and vary the durations of your campaigns. Your objective should be to analyze the results and identify what appeals most to your customers. Typically, sellers experience a 13% average uptick in revenue from these dynamic coupon campaigns. Promotion is just as crucial as having great offers. If your customers are unaware of your coupons, they can't take advantage of them, obviously. So be sure to leverage email marketing, social media, and your Amazon seller page to publicize your offers. Retail Me Not reports that email promotion of coupons generates 2 times more sales than other channels. Overall, the presence of a coupon creates a sense of urgency among shoppers, making them more likely to purchase now instead of putting it off till later. They fear missing out on a good deal, which prompts quicker buying decisions. You know, it gets them off the fence and makes them make a decision now and then in their favor, they can always return it down the road. Amazon's got a great return policy. So ensure your product listings highlight the availability and value of the coupon clearly. But remember, the objective of dynamic Amazon coupon campaigns isn't merely to augment sales. It's to maximize overall profitability and maybe some visibility as well. Therefore, always monitor your profit margins when designing your campaigns. The goal isn't merely to sell more at any cost, but to sell smart to earn more. So hopefully you got value from this video. Thank you for watching. And again, if you want to book a free consulting call with me, then go to emaamz.com. And on this call, I'll give a free listing audit to you, and I'll give you free access to our Amazon listing checklist. So see ya in the next video.